Hey guys, I'm Daniel and today we're going to make this great box out of Queensland fiddleback maple with a redwood interior. What a great looking box. Come on guys, let's go. Look at that Queensland fiddleback maple guys. It just pops, doesn't it? It just pops. Cutting the occam down now for the box sides on my sliding table saw. And putting it through the planer now to about 14mm. I've got a helical head in the planer, it works great. And just cutting them to size now, stocking them to size. And putting the box joints in with my dado head. I've got a saw specially designed just to do the box joints. The box is cut now and everything is in line, so we just need to put it together. And just gluing up all the box joints now. And whacking them into place. Box all cramped up. You see I had to use a lot of cramps to get it all cramped up and check the square. Also I leave my fingers longer, about a mil and a half longer than the box. But it's easier to sand the fingers off, but if they were under, you've got to sand the whole side or the whole end. So just leave your fingers a bit longer when you do your checkouts. Take this out of the cramps and see what we've got. Come out good, come out good. And putting it on the sander now to sand up all the box joints. That sanded up pretty good. That's good. Okay. The internal carcass is now done. And we'll move on to putting the bottom in. Budding the bottom there, which is also Queensland fiddleback maple. And putting it through the thicknesser again to clean it all up. Made the bottom about 16mm and the top about 20mm. And putting a half round edge on the bottom. And gluing the bottom to the box. Glued the bottom on, and as you see it's got about an 8mm overhang all the way around. Okay. Now we're just going to put them together with the pin gun. That's it. The box is all together, and I'm just gonna pin it on with the small staple gun. All done. Okay, the tray is finished. There it is inside the box. Take it out and see how it fits. Nice snug fit, which is good. We are going to cut the lid now. We've already thickened it to size to about 20-21mm, and we'll overhang it the same as the bottom, about 6 to 8mm overhang. Queensland fiddleback maple. And just putting it over the saw now to cut it to width. And docking it now. I've cut the top to size, and I'm going to use a accentuated half round cutter. And I put it in my big router and just running the top over now. I've done it in about 3 passes. This is a very big cutter. Okay, we've rounded over the top, extended half round, come up really nice, really good curve on that. And we're ready to hinge the lid. Now I'm going to hinge it again with the 25mm butt hinges. And I got a jig specially made to hinge the lids of the boxes, and a router permanently set up to do it. Getting there now, I've temporarily hinged the lid. You see how it stays open? Because it's overhanging at the back. With it overhanging at the back, it will flop all the way down. And it's much better if it stays open. I've only got a couple of screws in it at the moment, but those little screws are bloody hard, so you get one stuck. So I just wanted to make sure it fitted before I take it all apart. And now it's ready to start sanding, and then we can polish it. And just polishing it now. Look at the colour of that maple, that FIDDLEBACK maple. And doing the back of the lid now. Look at that. Wow guys, that came up great. Really good. This is my drying rack where I stack everything towards the dry. Each piece has its own tray, so I don't have to touch anything. And it dries pretty quick. It dries in about 15 minutes, and then I sand it down and I give it another coat and sand it down again and give it the third and final coat. It's a really nice stuff. It's an industrial finish that we use in the cabinet industry. It's just a single pack, 100% gloss. And it's really nice stuff for the furniture lacquer. Hey guys, another box all finished. This one came up magnificent with this Queensland FIDDLEBACK maple lid, a threadwood box inside. I didn't put any material in this box because I didn't want to hide any of the timber. It looks great. You see how the lid stands up by itself? But they've overhanged it at the back, 8mm, so it just stands up. It doesn't need any stays or anything. And with the box joints and the underside, come up really well. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you can.